When it comes to small kitchen appliances, a quality saucepan can make all the difference. This Lianyu 1-quart stainless steel saucepan with lid, a versatile, efficient, and easy-to-use kitchen essential. Whether you're a home cook preparing a simple meal or a professional chef running a busy restaurant kitchen, this saucepan brings convenience, health benefits, and lasting durability. Why choose the Lianyu 1-quart saucepan? The Lianyu 1-quart stainless steel saucepan is crafted with careful attention to detail and made with high-quality materials designed to meet the cooking needs of various kitchen environments. Whether you're preparing soup, boiling milk, melting butter, or making sauce, this small saucepan will quickly become your go-to cookware. Number 1. Premium stainless steel construction for healthier cooking. The Lianyu saucepan is constructed from 1810 stainless steel, known for its resistance to rust and corrosion, making it a long-lasting and safe cookware option. Unlike some cookware that uses harmful non-stick coatings, this saucepan is free from toxic chemicals such as PFOA and PFOS. That means you can cook your favorite dishes without worrying about harmful substances leaching into your food. Number 2. Tri-ply construction for even heat distribution. A significant feature of this saucepan is its tri-ply construction. The bottom is made of 3 layers, a stainless steel exterior, an aluminum core for heat conduction, and a stainless steel interior. This design ensures fast, even heating, so you don't need to worry about hot spots or uneven cooking, making it ideal for delicate tasks such as simmering milk or preparing sauces. Number 3. Versatile and compatible with various stovetops. One of the standout features of the Lianyu 1-quart saucepan is its compatibility with all cooking surfaces, including gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. Its thick, flat bottom provides excellent heat retention and ensures that the saucepan performs well across various heat sources. However, this saucepan does not work with induction stoves, an important consideration if you're planning to use it on induction cooktops. Number 4. Thoughtful and ergonomic design. Comfort and convenience are at the forefront of the design of the Lianyu 1-quart saucepan. The heat-proof long bakelite handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip even when the saucepan is hot. This feature not only makes it easier to pour your contents, but also helps to protect your hands from burns while cooking. Number 5. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Cooking can get messy, but cleanup doesn't have to be a chore. Thanks to the mirror-polished interior, food won't stick to the surface, making cleanup a breeze. The saucepan is also dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after a long day in the kitchen. For those who prefer hand washing, the smooth surface ensures that cleaning by hand is quick and easy. Number 6. The ideal size for small cooking needs. The 1-quart size is perfect for smaller servings or for those who want to cook efficiently without using a large pot. Whether you're making a quick lunch, warming milk, or preparing a small sauce, this saucepan is perfectly sized for the task. Performance. What can you expect from the Lianyu 1-quart saucepan? The Lianyu 1-quart saucepan excels in its performance, providing consistent, reliable results. Whether you're heating a small batch of soup or making a creamy sauce, the even heat distribution ensures that your food is cooked to perfection. Efficient heat distribution. Thanks to the tri-ply base, this saucepan heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly. This feature is especially important for tasks that require careful temperature control, such as melting chocolate or simmering milk. Prevents hot spots. The thick, flat bottom of the saucepan eliminates any hot spots, preventing burning or uneven cooking. No matter what you're cooking, you'll achieve a consistent result every time. Final thoughts: why you should buy the Lianyu 1-quart saucepan. This Lianyu 1-quart stainless steel saucepan with lid is a well-crafted and functional kitchen tool that will make your cooking tasks easier and more enjoyable. The premium construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design makes it safe and easy to use. The tri-ply base guarantees even heating, and the glass lid with steam vent offers the convenience of monitoring your food without losing heat. If you're in the market for a small, reliable saucepan for everyday cooking needs, this is an excellent choice. Whether you're warming milk, making sauces, or preparing small meals, the Lianyu 1-quart saucepan is sure to meet your expectations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.